guys, we are in Pow. Pow. What is it, day 4? I think we started Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Day 4. We are in Pow. We're going over the mountains. What are they called? It's too early, so it's 9 o'clock. Can't remember. Over the mountains on south of France. Pyrenees, that's the one. We're going over the Pyrenees this morning. I don't think any of the cars broke down yet. The Trabant on this first day had a little bit of a breakdown. Its exhaust came off from the manifold, but it's all up and running again now, and I think all the cars are here. A couple of the cars are automatic without selection, so the Mercedes like here, they're going to struggle today because you're going up mountains and you can't pre-select your gear and you can't stay in that gear, so it's going to be screaming up and down, up and down, up and down in the gears. Glad to see that VW's here. Look, VW's made it. That's still here. Mark Royal's car. We're still here, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be filming. And this is Donna's presents. Wow. I'm glad I'm not taking this today. Wow. These are the lucky guys who've got Donna today. You're full up. Have you not?
We've got all the Donna shit.
You got all the stuff.
We haven't managed to fit Donna in yet because she's not here.
Oh, she's not, where is she? She slept in. She slept in.
We'll see.
If you don't know, when you take Donna, everyone gives them a gift. So what have we got here? Oh, a load of beers. That'll be nice in Gibraltar. And look, a paddling pool, go-kart. Wow. How are they going to fit it all in? All that. And that. Look at that. Locked doll. Wow. I want to see this. Or maybe I don't.
He'll go in, he's not going in place.
Where's Donna?
Donna's with the home build guys.
So Donna's about. That's got to get in as well. That's got to get in. A go-kart someone made. They're already full. And they've got that and the Donna. Don't know how they're going to do it. That's going to be fun. Cheeky 59ers still in the game. Good to see Robin Reliant still in the game. This is a 2-stroke engine, and they have tiny engine and tiny fuel tanks, so every now and then they have to stop and refill, plus put the oil in because it's 2-stroke. What is it, 50-50 mix I think it is, can't remember now, from our days of boating. Now we're at Power train station. I didn't know this until yesterday, but apparently there's a street circuit here, as in a Formula 1 street circuit. We just drove down this road here at the back and through town, and you can see all the white and red markings on the road, so you can tell it's been a street circuit at some point. So we might drive that on the way out and then film it for you. If not, you'll probably see us in the mountains. And here come the Ghostbusters.
No, we did. Morning.
Right. Thank you very much.
Safe.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Wow.
So the first time that the boat.
Don't ask where it came from.
Let's see how they're getting on. Yeah, good luck with that one. Wow, got to try and fit that in as well. I'm looking at all these and laughing at them, but I realise I've still got to do this. Got to carry it for 50 miles at least. Yeah, don't go over a bump. Oh, I don't. That wind's. Yeah, that ain't going to last.
Right. Nobody move.
Yes. Oh, good. Well done.
There you go, bud.
Well done.
Morning, folks. And how are we feeling? A few sore heads, I believe. No. No? There's going to be no challenge this morning. Reason being, I want you all to enjoy going over the Pyrenees.
So that's the challenge.
And then that's a challenge in itself, yeah. So there won't be any challenge this morning. Okay. A couple of little ground rules as well. Obviously, we've had one or two little incidents. people walking away from restaurants and not paying.
Standard.
Where are you? Not only did they walk away from the restaurant, they didn't even ask for the bill.
Who was that?
So I think we have to dock them. How many points do we have to dock them for that?
The price of the bill. The price of the bill.
60 euros.
Right,
60
points.
60 points deducted. It's great to see there's a great team spirit at the moment between everyone. People are stopping, helping each other. That's what we're all about. So keep it up. Whatever we do though today, please nobody follow me because I get lost getting out of a car.
You got lost getting into the car.
Yeah.
It is going to be good going up and over the top for those of you that are. Those of you that are going through the tunnel, you're still going to have a good laugh, and there's still some cracking roads that way as well. But I think the majority of us are going to go over the top. Let's enjoy it then, guys.
So we're just about with these guys on the road. What's happening?
We can't tow the Trabant in Spain, so this guy's going to let us leave it around the back of his garage and hopefully try and fix it by the time we get back.
Okay, so it's had it. What's wrong with it?
The clutch is gone.
Oh, you don't need that on you.
We can get a clutch delivered to
Yeah.
Benidorm, but we can't tow it
Tow
through
it there.
over at Benidorm.
Okay.
So we have to wait here for 3 days
Well,
and
so
then catch up.
bye-bye Trabant.
Yeah,
Top man.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sorted it, yeah?
Very friendly
Are they?
mechanic. He's letting
Oh.
us leave it here
There you go.
securely. So
Very good.
Classic car garage.
You've done well, haven't you, to get it? So how are you getting there then?
We're all in the
Our second
all
car.
in the Land Rover.
Okay, that's going to be a bit cosy. Have you had Donna yet?
No.
That's going to be fun as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So bye-bye Trabant. It's nice knowing you. Brilliant car. It's got quite far actually, isn't
Halfway.
it?
Yeah, we're pleased with that.
Right on the Spanish and French border, so yeah, well done. What route are you taking?
We can go over now.
Yeah, I know, we're going to go over, so we'll stick with you guys then, if that's right.
Yeah.
Here we are, in the middle of the Pyrenees mountains. Stop for a nice little coffee and have a little look round here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Right in the Pyrenees mountains. Guys, we have made it into Spain. We're in Spain. Just come through the Pyrenees. We're on the other side of the Pyrenees. You have got to take a look at this. Look what I'm looking at. How good is that? How beautiful is that? That's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Met a lovely English couple. They're going around France and Spain and that. They've given some of the guys some beers. I'm alright for now. I'll have a couple of beers tonight. To Spain, that means we get to put a new sticker on. Will this be the last one? Or will we see Andorra and maybe Gibraltar? Not sure if we're going to stop in Andorra yet or even visit it. Let's see. Here goes a new sticker. There you go. And now we've got 3 stickers. That's the question, will we get any more? Who knows? We're in Zaragoza. Got to stick travelling veteran on the map. There we go, right next to this big lovely building. Don't know what it is, I'll write in the comments what it is. Don't even know if you see that sticker. So we're in Zaragoza. This is one of the main squares, I suppose. A couple of monuments down there. This is Basilica something or other. Don't understand it, don't know what it is, so let us know if you know what it is. Beautiful buildings with Spanish architecture. Looks a bit like the Kremlin in Moscow, but obviously nothing to do with that.